How's it going, everybody? Dorian here at Artisan Vapor Company, San Antonio. Looking at the Topside Squonk mod today. It does 90 watts. It's made by Dovpo. Let's dive in. So the packaging to your device is going to look like this when you first receive it. Let's say a TVC creation. There's everything that's included on the back, your authenticity code. On the side it says Dovpo. Let's open it up. What's really interesting about this device's box is that instead of just throwing this box away when you're done opening it, you can actually use it as a tank holder. That's what these slots are here for. So we're just going to slide this open. You got your QC pass card, your user manual, a little branding card, and of course your battery safety card. There's your device itself. We're going to set that aside. Comes with an Allen key and a couple of screws. I'll show you what that's for later. And of course your USB charging cable. With this device you do receive an extra refill bottle, at least at Artisan Vapor Company. It is sold with it, so it's not sold separately, but it does come in a separate package. And inside there, you have your one refill bottle. Well, it's not a refill bottle, it's more like a spare bottle, I should say. We'll get into that here in a second, too. Alright, and this is the Topside Squonk mod. It is a single battery, 18650, 2700, or 21700 battery compatible device. It comes with a 18650 sleeve here. It says Dovpo. You put your 18650 in there and insert that into the device with the pin going up, and that's how you use your 18650s. Your 2700s and 21700s should work perfectly fine in here. We're going to go over the menu settings here in a second. I do have my Hellvape Dead Rabbit RTA on here, and that is because we can't go through the settings unless you have an atomizer on here, and I just had this on mine, so I just decided to screw it on so we can go through it. So you can see right off the start you are in variable wattage mode. So we're going to check that out here in a second once this focuses. We're at 30 watts. It tells you the amps, voltage, and your resistance of your ohms of your coil. Now to key lock this device, there are two buttons right here. We're just going to press both of those at the same time. And it says key lock. You can still fire a device, but it's just going to lock your wattage in. So we're going to unlock that now. To change it between bypass and wattage mode, we're going to press the left button and the fire button together, and it changes to bypass mode. For those who don't know what bypass mode is, it is a mode where the device uses the strength from the battery to power your atomizer. We're going to switch it back to wattage mode here. And now that's pretty much it as far as functionality. Right goes up, left goes down. And as far as temperature control goes, this device does have it, but you do have to upgrade it with firmware through your computer. So back to the side where this device is a squonker, all you got to do is open up the battery door here. That's where you would insert your batteries. I do have a iJoy 21700 battery in here. You can buy this from us as well. It's a 3750 mAh battery. I'm going to set that aside. But this is where your battery goes here. It is labeled on the door negative, so positive would go up. And now the squonker is pretty interesting because the bottle just doesn't come out. You actually take this little mechanism that pops out right here, and it comes completely out. To fill it, all you got to do is fill on one of these ports here. You can see there. And to put it back in, all you got to do is slide it just like the way you put it in. Just like that. Now, I would only use that method if you're using the separate replacement bottle there. That's if you want 2 juices or just some backup juice so you don't have to fill it over and over again. But the easiest way to fill this device, why it's called the Topside, is just unscrew this piece here. And it comes right out. It does have rubber gaskets there. All you would have to do is fill it there. To squonk, it's as simple as pressing this bottle in. It feeds the juice up from the bottle into the device here into your RDA. Now to put this back on, we're just going to match those holes up. And there you go. I said I was going to explain what this Allen key is here for, and those extra screws. If you ever want to take apart your bottle and clean it out, all you got to do is unscrew the screw there. I'm not going to do this because it's a brand new bottle, and I would never sell you something I've opened before like that. But there is a screw here, and on the other side, this metal piece comes right off, and all you got to do is pop out the bottle. That's how you clean it. So like I said earlier in the video, this is an atomizer holder. So if you want to use that for that, you totally could. If you haven't been to our shop here in San Antonio, this is our Bandera location. Say hi, Jeremy. That's Jeremy. Pretty nice lounge setup we have going. We got a bar. We actually have a mini movie theater back there that Vanessa's chilling in. We don't have it set up right now, but we even got a pool table and dartboard. So make sure to come see us over here at the Bandera location. We do have one off Hebner and I-10, but I'm not there right now, so I can't show you it. But make sure you like this video, subscribe, comment if you have any questions, and we'll see you on the next one. Don't forget to mention this video for a 15% off discount on this device in the store. Hope to see you then.